If you're managing a global team and want to handle employee benefits efficiently, Deel is the software you need. Deel simplifies global employee benefits, making it easy to set up and manage benefits packages for your employees no matter where they're based. Whether you're a startup or a large company, Deel provides everything you need to ensure your global workforce has the benefits they deserve, with the added benefit of saving time and reducing paperwork. First, let's talk about how Deel makes it easy to manage employee benefits globally. Deel allows you to handle everything from health insurance to retirement plans across multiple countries. Their platform offers country-specific benefits and ensures you're compliant with local laws, whether your employees are in the US, Europe, or Asia. With Deel, you don't have to worry about navigating complex local regulations because it's all taken care of within the platform. One of the best parts of Deel is how it integrates employee benefits management seamlessly into your payroll system. This means when you pay your employees, you can also handle their benefits all in one place. Deel automatically adjusts based on the employee's location and the applicable benefits they are entitled to, so you never have to manually track this. This is especially helpful for remote teams scattered across the globe. The platform also lets you customize benefits packages for each employee. Deel's flexibility allows you to add or remove benefits based on individual preferences or the specific country your employee is based in. Want to offer additional perks like wellness stipends or education reimbursement? Deel makes that process simple, giving you the flexibility to design benefits that align with your company's values and goals. Another advantage of Deel is that it offers pre-built templates that make setting up benefits packages quick and easy. If you're new to global benefits management, Deel helps you get started right away without having to spend hours researching local laws and regulations. These templates are designed with the global workforce in mind, making it a breeze to ensure compliance while providing top-tier benefits to your team. You also get full transparency into what's available to your employees. Deel gives you a clear view of every benefit included in your packages, making it easy for both HR managers and employees to see what's being offered. This transparency ensures no one is left in the dark about their benefits and helps maintain trust within your team. Now, here's something that could be a game changer for you. You can try Deel for free through the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to Deel's powerful employee benefits management features, but you'll also get exclusive bonuses that make it even easier to manage your global team. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your global benefits. If you're interested in learning more about Deel and its capabilities, stick around because at the end of this video, I'll mention how you can access an extended free trial. Deel truly makes managing global employee benefits as simple as it gets, allowing you to focus on growing your team and your business, not getting bogged down by paperwork. So, whether you have a small team or a large global workforce, Deel's platform is designed to help you navigate the complexities of international employee benefits. It's a tool that will not only save you time, but will also ensure that your team has the benefits they need to stay happy, healthy, and productive. Remember to click the link below for your exclusive offer and let Deel make managing global employee benefits a breeze.